About this baby boy who's come to earth to bring us joy, and I just wanna sing this song to you. It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the baffled king composing Hallelujah, 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 Hallelujah. The shepherds left their flocks by night to see this baby wrapped in light. The angel said, "Let them to you." It was just as the angel said. See a baby in a manger bed, Emmanuel, our Savior. Hallelujah, 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 The stars shone bright up in the east. To Bethlehem the wise men three came many miles and journeyed long for you. And to the place in which you were, the frankincense and golden myrrh, they came to you and cried out, Hallelujah, 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 Hallelujah. I know you came to rescue me. This baby boy would grow to be born one day and die for me and you. And my sins would drive the nails in you. That rugged cross was my cross too. Still every breath you drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.